It's 3 a.m. You're staring at your phone, refreshing your bank app as if the numbers might magically change. But they don't. You've worked 40 hours this week, yet after rent, gas, and groceries, there's nothing left. You aren't just broke, you're exhausted. In 2025, just work harder isn't enough. Inflation is eating your paycheck before you even see it. The American dream has started to feel like a survival game, and right now, you're losing. But what if I told you that in exactly 7 days, you could stop the bleeding? I'm not talking about a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about a tactical, step-by-step survival plan to take back control when you have $0 to your name. I'm the author of the ultimate survival book, Living Paycheck to Paycheck. I've spent years studying the bridge between financial ruin and financial stability. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint. 7 days, 7 specific actions. Day 1 starts right now. We aren't just looking at your bank account, we're going on a hunt for the invisible leaks that are draining your life. You can't fix a leak if you don't know where the holes are. Most people think they know where their money goes, but thinking is what keeps you broke. Today, pull up your bank statements from the last 30 days. Every single transaction. We aren't looking for the big bills like rent. We're hunting for the micro bleeders. Use a 3-category filter. Ask yourself, is this survival, like basic groceries? Is this comfort, like that Netflix sub? Or is this waste, like that gym membership you haven't used since January? In America, we are experts at subscription creep. Those $10 charges that feel invisible, but add up to over $100 a year. That's your emergency fund right there, hiding in plain sight. Next, look for the convenience tax. A $15 burrito turns into a $28 delivery through apps like DoorDash. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, you cannot afford to pay someone else to drive your food to you. Mark every delivery fee you paid last month. Write that total number down. It's the last time you'll ever lose that much money again. Welcome to day 2. Yesterday was about the leaks. Today is about the sharks. Most financial gurus tell you to stop buying $5 lattes. That's bad advice. You don't get stable by skipping coffee. You get stable by tackling the big 3: housing, transportation, and food. These make up over 70% of the average American's expenses. First, food. In the US, grocery prices have jumped 25% in the last few years. Day 2 is about the store brand switch. Switching from name brand stores to Aldi or buying great value at Walmart can save you $200 a month instantly. Stop buying pre-cut vegetables. You are paying a 300% markup just because someone else sliced your onions. Second, transportation. Your car might be eating your paycheck. Download an app like Gas Buddy to find the cheapest fuel in your zip code. Then call your insurance provider. Tell them you're shopping around. Often that one sentence can trigger a loyalty discount. Finally, housing. While you can't change your rent overnight, you can control your utilities. Audit your energy usage and look into negotiating a rent freeze with your landlord by offering a longer lease term. Choose one of the big 3 today and find a way to cut it by just 10%. Day 3. Today we stop being polite to your bank account. We are going on a subscription execution. Check your Apple subscriptions, your Google Play, and your PayPal. If you haven't used it in the last 30 days, kill it. Now let's talk about the bills you can't cancel, like your internet or phone bill. Call them. Say this: I'm looking at my budget and I'm considering switching to a cheaper competitor. Is there anything you can do to lower my current monthly rate? One 10-minute phone call can save you $20 to $50 a month. To finish day 3, we're implementing the zero spend rule for the remainder of this reset. No Amazon hauls, no gas station snacks. If it isn't gas for work or basic groceries, the answer is no. We are creating a vacuum in your bank account so we can start filling it with an emergency fund. Cutting costs is defense, but to truly stop living paycheck to paycheck, you need a strong offense. Day 4 is where we stop talking about saving and start talking about earning. You can't save your way to wealth if your income is too low to cover the basics. In the US, the gig economy is your fastest path to cash. Look at TaskRabbit. People will pay you $50 just to assemble furniture. Look at Rover. Dog walking in wealthy zip codes can net you $30 a walk. Find one thing in your house to sell on Facebook Marketplace or sign up for one gig app today. Once you earn money outside of your 9 to 5, the fear starts to vanish. Day 5. Today we face the monster under the bed, debt. In America, high-interest credit cards are designed to keep you in a cycle of minimum payments. If you're paying 25% interest, you're working one day a week just to pay the bank. Use the Snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first. That win gives you the dopamine hit you need to keep going. Call your credit card company and ask for a lower APR. Banks would rather have you pay 15% interest than 0% because you left. Day 6. Today we build your survival shield. Most U.S. emergencies cost around $500 to $1,000. Set up a separate, high-yield savings account at a different bank. This is your break glass in case of emergency fund. Even if you only put $5 in it today, you've started the shield. Day 7. You've audited your leaks, tackled the big 3, and found extra income. Today isn't about doing, it's about being. You are no longer someone who hopes they have enough money for rent. You are someone with a system. Look at the numbers you wrote down this week. That gap between what you earn and what you spend, that is your freedom. Stopping the bleeding is only the beginning. My book, The Ultimate Survival Book, Living Paycheck to Paycheck, contains deeper strategies, from inflation-proofing your life to investing when you're starting with nothing. I've put the link to the full guide in the description below. Don't let this be just another video you watched. Let this be the week everything changed. Subscribe for the survival series, and I'll see you in the next video.